Hi, I'm Rocío Toro, the team leader, and Ivan Sandia, my co-founder. We know each other since high school, and through all these years, we had conversations about creating something innovative. One day, during my college vacations, I was planning where to go and I didn't have money. That's when I thought, what would happen if I could wash my neighbor's car and earn money? Or do some daily paid activity in free time in the immediacy of a mobile app? Nowadays, there's an exponential growth of smartphones and the trend to solve problems through it. Also, the collaborative economy is inserted in allowing people paying for daily activities, being done by people who are available to do them with the freedom to choose when. The problem is that there is no efficient platform to connect this offer and demand in real time and in an easy way. So that's why Blive mobile app is created, to allow connecting users who offer paid tasks with users available to do them. The innovation is that the offer and demand is in real time according to location, so you can get a job in an easy and fast way.
When Rocio proposed me this idea, I was so glad to participate in this project because we worked together in high school and I know she's a great leader and she has the experience. Also, I worked developing software during college, so I know how it works. That is the reason why we are the perfect combination to bring to life Believe.